In this video, I'm going to talk about product innovation, what product innovation is, why it's so important, and why you need to innovate your products in order to be successful on Amazon. Now, before we hop into that, my name is Pretty. I'm a six-figure Amazon seller. On this channel, I talk about how you can build wealth by using the web. So welcome to my channel. Let's hop into what product innovation is and why it's so important. So product innovation is simply just making your product better than your competition. Innovation puts you ahead of the game, ahead of your competition, and it just gets you above and beyond what they're offering. And that's exactly what you want to do if you want to be successful on Amazon. And again, guys, product innovation won't work for every single product. I just want to make that clear. But you want to aim to find products that can be innovated just so it gives you that competitive edge and that you ultimately get more sales from that. You can't really innovate a napkin. A napkin's going to be a napkin. You can only offer more or change the color. So there's going to be things that you can't innovate, but find products that you can innovate, and that is the key to success on Amazon in 2022 and beyond. So the first thing you want to do when it comes to innovating your product is, number one, fix your customer complaints. Now, they're actually not your customers. You want to fix your competition's customer complaints so you can automatically, right off the bat, have a better product than your competition. So you want to go to your competitors' reviews and you want to take a look at the 1, 2, and 3 stars, see what the customers are complaining about, and then talk to your manufacturer and definitely get those problems fixed. That is rule number 1 when it comes to product innovation. Now, number 2, you want to offer more value in your product. You want to increase the perceived value, and you just want to make it better than your competitors. So how do you do that? Well, you can have a bundle, or you can offer accessories that enhance the product. So let me give you an example. I have a glass and it has a bamboo cup lid. Now, what would I do to make this product better? Well, if I was a seller trying to come into this niche, I would offer 3 different cup lids. I would offer a silicone one, a steel one, and a bamboo one, maybe even a straw. And that automatically makes my product more desirable than the person who's just selling a cup with a bamboo lid, because I'm offering the cup, the 3 lids, plus a straw. So you guys see how product innovation can sway your customers and make them buy your product. Dive deeper into more ways you can innovate your product. So the next way is just to offer better material. So when it comes to your product packaging, your packaging could just be better. You can have a box, which automatically makes your product more premium on Amazon. If you could have a box that your product actually comes in as your first picture, that will take your click-through rate to the next level when it comes to Amazon. People love premium products. People love packaging. So if you can, spend the extra money on packaging and make it look really professional to get a one-up on your competition. Now, in terms of better materials, you could just obviously make your product more durable. You can just have better, more expensive materials used when creating the product. And again, you got to take that up with your manufacturer. What I like to do in order to source products, I like to go over to my competition's listing. I use the Helium 10 X-ray extension app that allows you to find a supplier, and they will literally take you over to Alibaba and show you a list of potential suppliers that you could use. So they're super, super awesome. Again, I use Helium 10 every single day to do product research, to find products to launch, and I also use it for keywords, to spy on my competitors, to figure out how to source, to optimize my listing, and so much more. So if you want 50% off your first month, you can use the link in the description to do so. But let's get back into more ways you can innovate your products. Now, the next way, again, we just talked about sourcing better materials. The next way is to offer a guide or an insert with your product that will increase the value for the customer. Now, if I get a product and I don't know how to use it, I'm more likely to leave a negative review. So you want to just make sure that people know how to use your product. Even though it's a cup with a bamboo lid, you can say something like, "This is my product and it is made from BPA-free materials," make the customer feel good, and then also be like, "I use the premium quality lids, and this is why I started this brand." Share your brand story, share why you started this, and customers really love that. So that's just another way you can innovate your product, because all these people who are manufacturing random products in China, they're not doing that, okay? So you want to take your branding to the next level. You want to enhance your customer experience. Again, Amazon is very, very customer oriented. So you want to be, as a brand, very customer oriented, and you want to be making sure that you're answering all questions that you're getting and just making sure that you're giving really, really good customer service. So lastly, you can offer more units, but again, you don't really want to get into the unit game. Let's say this person's selling 10 pins. Oh my God, I got to come in and sell 20. You don't really want to get into that game. You want to find products that you can innovate, that you can add more value to, and ultimately the customers are forced to buy it and want to buy it because you're making the product so much better than your competition. So that is the key when it comes to product innovation, guys. Make sure you do not skip out on product innovation. It is so important, and is one of the reasons why I've been so successful on Amazon, is because my product is completely so much better than the competition because I worked my butt off to make it that way, and I'm working on making my listing better every single day, optimizing my EBC, A+ content, making sure my pictures are getting better and better. And yes, you want to change your pictures up every few months just to keep it fresh, okay? And also changing your bulletin points can be really helpful. You can go use Helium 10, look at your competition's bulletin points, and find new keywords that you might want to add into yours. And you want to just be updating your listing and making it as best as it possibly can be. So again, innovate your products, take action, and I hope you have a profitable day. I will catch you in the next video. Take care.